assessment asks us to draw the mechanism for this Suzuki reaction. In this reaction, we're forming a new bond between carbon 9 of the alkyl iodide and between carbon 10 of the organometallic reagent. The first place we'll start this mechanism is with the elemental palladium. We're going to insert the palladium between the carbon 9 iodine bond. We'll take 1 electron from palladium and 1 electron from the carbon iodine bond to form a palladium iodine bond. And we'll take 1 electron from palladium and 1 electron from the carbon iodine bond to form a palladium carbon bond. Then we'll bring these two together and we'll form a new intermediate that has a palladium iodine bond and a palladium carbon 9 bond. We'll bring our carbon numbers back to make sure we haven't dropped or added any carbons. The next step of this reagent will involve the organoborane. Let me redraw that in. And I'll bring my carbon numbers back to make sure I didn't drop or add any. We're now going to do the transmetallation where we add carbon 10 to palladium. We'll have an arrow where we take 1 electron from the palladium iodine bond and 1 electron from the boron carbon bond to form a new boron iodine bond. We'll take 1 electron from the carbon boron bond and 1 electron from the palladium iodine bond to form a palladium carbon 10 bond. That will form a new intermediate and kick out the boron iodide as our byproduct. And our new intermediate will have both alkyl groups attached to palladium. And on the other side of palladium will be the other alkyl group. The final step of this mechanism will regenerate our palladium catalyst and do the coupling of the two carbon atoms. So we'll take 1 electron from the palladium carbon 9 bond and 1 electron from the palladium carbon 10 bond to form the bond between carbon 9 and carbon 10. And we'll take the remaining electron from each of those bonds, put those electrons back onto palladium to reform our palladium catalyst. This will form our product and regenerate the palladium catalyst. This is the mechanism for this Suzuki reaction.